You are fierce. You are a wolf.
Oh!
Ooh, what was it? Did your spirit animal come to you?
Yeah, dude. It's incredible. I'm a fucking wolf, bro.
No way! Dude! Bro, dude,
What about you?
Right now. Dude,
Did you see yours?
Dude, I was swimming in the ocean, and all of a sudden this huge shark just swam up underneath me, bro. Just like right underneath me. I heard this most amazing voice, bro. It was magical. It was like Morgan Freeman. Do you know Morgan Freeman? I freaking love that guy. Anyways, bro, it turns out I'm a great white shark. Awesome! It was so good. There's like, it had like 2 fins.
All right, dude. You ready? Are you ready to enter the dragon?
Bruce Lee is on my side.
Your time with the peace pipe. There you go. Bon voyage, buddy.
You are resilient.
Hell yeah, I am.
You are smaller than most of your friends.
Well, I guess that's true, but it's almost winter.
You like moist areas.
Wait, what?
You are this creature which has not yet been discovered or identified by humanity yet.
Jesus. Looks like it's dying.
This is what it does. In time, he will be known as Caudata dictatus. While rare, he will soon become bred on a massive scale to be ground up and turned into a paste for use on yeast infections and hemorrhoids. The Caudata dictatus is blind. It sustains itself with water and creatures. It is the only creature of its family to possess no spine.
Are you sure this is me?
You're 28, and you still live at home.
Well, I mean, I'm going to college soon.
You recently stole and sold your little sister's bicycle to buy peyote.
Well, I needed to get more in touch with nature.
And you like the smell of your own farts.
Well, okay, who doesn't? Come on.
More than most people.
Hey, fuck you, man. I'm cool.
Fuck me. Fuck you. I didn't ask to be here, you
Look at
wiener.
that. You want to come down here? I'll kick your disembodied voice all up and down
This is
this
some
cave.
bullshit.
Come on, bring it.
I can't fucking believe this. Why don't you kick your
Oh,
fucking
the
ass and get
wicked
out of my
away from me,
spirit
Daddy.
realm? Get
Come
the hell
on.
out of here. I've had enough of this shit. Fuck. This job is getting harder and harder every god blessed day. Fucking done. Fuck, I need a beer.
You're dead. What?
How was it, Brett?
Did it work, bro? Yeah, bro. It did. Dudes. Yeah? Dude, I'm a tiger. What? Dude! I
Fucking
know.
Siberian and
With
shit.
like stripes.
Swimming
It's
around
got
in a kiddie pool.
2 stripes. Tony the tiger.
Dude, straight up.
No,
Dude,
like
I
that
fucking love
Jungle
Rice
Book.
Krispies.
The Jungle Book. I'm not a fan.
Yeah!
Tubular.